Hello, my name's Ian Hawkins. I'm the head of content here at Swoop. Today, I'm joined by Dean Carman of the Garage Door Depot. As well as commercial overhead door sales and service, the company also installs for new residential construction projects. Dean, great to have you with us. Where was the business at when you needed funding?
We were growing. We had made some significant changes in our service business, which created a rather substantial and rapid growth spike. We had been running the business in a way that we could fundamentally manage all of our financial obligations just on regular business cash flows. Obviously, with that level of growth, it became necessary to put something a little bit more traditional in place in terms of bank lines and that sort of thing, which is why we engaged with Swoop.
Did you have anything specific that you needed?
I think what I needed was just the ability to leverage an operating line of credit, which would bridge the time gaps between receivables and payables. And that's fundamentally what we were after.
Well, quick question. How did you find us?
You found me.
Oh.
I actually received a bit of a cold call, if you will. I want to say it would have been sometime in the mid 2023 timeframe. And I'll be honest, at the onset, I thought it was any number of those business financing, situations where the very, very high interest. I came across a company a long time ago for one of our partner locations that utilized credit card transactions to create some sort of a funding arrangement. It was very expensive and convoluted and not something I was interested in. So I initially thought that's what I was faced with Swoop. And later on, I did have a dialogue with one of the representatives at Swoop, and soon realized that they actually act as a broker for us, in the sense that they have existing relationships in the marketplace, and they try to match those to us, our needs and our situation.
Okay, so the solutions that came to you were more in line with what you're after. What solutions were you offered, Dean?
Bank line of credit with one of the big five. And through that, from a financing perspective, that's what we asked for. We wanted an operating line that would meet our needs. That relationship evolved, and we were able to secure even additional services with the bank that even exceeded what our current relationship with our current bank offered us. So not really financing, but more operational efficiencies, financial efficiencies that I think helped us be even more successful. And we weren't even aware it existed.
Great stuff. So it sounds like we solved the problem, but actually went slightly beyond that.
Yes. The representative that we had at Swoop, I think his objective was not just to go find us money, in essence. His objective was to find us a good relationship that would facilitate that ongoing growth that obviously we're trying to achieve. And he did that.
So where are you now as a business? We've solved the problem. Where are you at right now?
The business is continuing on a growth trajectory. It's not on that super high trajectory that it experienced in 2022, 2023. We're more in a controlled growth model now, which is nice. It's far easier to manage a business when the growth is moderate as opposed to high intensity. That's kind of where we are in terms of the business, still growing. Having the banking relationship now in place, which officially, I guess, sort of got finalized about a week ago, and is now operating, it's actually helped us be more efficient internally as well. So that's where we are. We've got a growing business, which is doing well. We've got the right, financing tools and relationships in place relative to banking and finance that we need. And I think it will deliver on our requirements for at least the next 12 to 24 months.
So what's next for the Garage Door Depot?
Business-wise, what's next for us is we want to continue evolving our service business. We find that to be the most beneficial element of our business. We have a strong new construction market here in the Greater Vancouver area. A lot of apartment buildings going up, high density real estate, which we're able to deliver our core product suite to those opportunities. So we see a good road ahead as far as growth and development for the business. We're not going to do anything different. We're going to keep doing what we do and we do well. Just hopefully do a little bit more of it.
Fantastic. Dean Carman, thank you so much for your time today. I will let you get back to work. Thank you.
Thank you.